vlog. Either way, I am so happy you're here. It is finally wedding week. So this week is going to be filled with all of the beauty maintenance, prep, and finishing touches on the reception. I'm starting the prep off with a quick errand. I'm at Target to pick up just a few things I need for the weekend. I'm all out of my translucent setting powder, so I'm going to pick one up so that my makeup can be set in place throughout the wedding. Of course, on wedding week, I've also run out of my hair products, so I'm going to need to replenish those. Just little things like that I'm going to just be running in for. On my way here, I did stop for my first pumpkin coffee of the season. Dunkin' has released their pumpkin and their fall flavors. Starbucks has not yet. So I got the Nutty Pumpkin iced coffee from Dunkin'. This was my favorite last season. It's just pumpkin, hazelnut, and cream in an iced coffee. Every year, pumpkin just gets a moment of silence for me. It just tastes warm and cozy. It's like a symphony of fall. I am so happy. Let me set this down, leave it in my cup holder, and use it as motivation to get this Target run done. Came home to a flower delivery, so I got these in vases with water and the flower food right away. I got these in bulk from Costco's website. I got 40 white lilies for only $60. They came in great condition, but as you can see, all of them are still closed. They have not yet bloomed, hence why I ordered them for delivery a little bit earlier, a few days before our actual wedding date, so that they had the chance to bloom and open up. They are sitting pretty tall in the vases that I ordered for them, even with trimming an inch off of the stems as instructed, but it did say after 2 days to trim them another inch and change out the water, so I'll likely trim them a little bit shorter right before the wedding date. Planning wise for the reception, we're in really good shape right now. We have the flowers, we have the drinks, we have all the decor. Basically all we need to do is pick up the food and the cake when they're ready the day of. I do have just a tiny bit of decor prep left to do, which we'll finish up today. I have some things to put in frames, just these little decorative assets to throw on tables. I have one for a memorial table, I have one for the cards and gifts table. I have a QR code for people to access our digital photo gallery. I also have the QR code on some individual little sheets that I'm gonna throw in envelopes with photo prints. Some other new designs that I've gotten printed since we last talked are these little half sheets I mentioned I wanna put on each table place setting. Right on top of each plate, this front side has just a little message from us as the couple, basically saying how much we appreciate them, love them, are so glad that they're there to celebrate with us. And then the back has the drink menu and the dinner menu. I also printed some food labels that I will just fold over at the time of the event. So I'm gonna finish prepping and packing up the decor so it's ready for transport this weekend. Once that's all done, we're gonna get to the beauty maintenance. I need to take these nails off, put new ones on, do the everything shower, dermaplane my face, do some eyelash extensions, all of the maintenance things to have me looking and feeling my best as a bride. the big day. It is reception day. We are not getting officially married today. Legally, we have already gotten married. We did elope earlier in the month. For that, we did a very small, intimate, private ceremony with just immediate family. So this reception we've been planning has been for our entire families. So the excitement of being married has already been had in a previous vlog if you want to go check that one out. But nonetheless, I'm still so excited to see all of our family together. I'm feeling really good about all of the planning stuff for today too. I'm going into the day feeling really pretty calm. The only thing that's giving me a little bit of grief are my flowers. Some of them have not opened up as much as I was hoping that they would. I knew that lilies took a few days to open up, so I ordered them days early, hoping that that would be enough time. And I think they just needed maybe like one more day to be exactly where I wanted them to be. A few have definitely bloomed and opened up, but just not as many as I was hoping. But we're gonna try and keep getting them sun throughout the day. I've already changed out their water and clipped the stems some more. We only have kind of a rough plan of the day so far. Initially, we had planned to go to the venue to set up, then come back here to get ready, and then go back to the venue again for the time of the event. But when we got the email confirming our reservation of the venue, we found out that once the doors are unlocked to the venue, they stay unlocked for the remainder of the reservation, which is until 10 p.m. So basically, we're responsible for the venue from the time the doors are open until the very end of the reservation at 10 p.m., which is not a big deal at all. Would not have changed our decision to choose this as our venue, but it does definitely alter our plans for today a little bit. It's a little after 10 a.m. right now, so I think we're gonna head out in like 15 to 20 minutes, and then we are gonna stay there until the event starts and ends. So we're not only loading up the car with the decor and the drinks and the flowers and everything, but we're also going to be packing my dress, my shoes, his suit, his shoes. I've already packed my makeup bag, so we're just doing our makeup then and there. All the products I packed are products I feel confident I can work with in a pinch. I'm also bringing my fragrance. This is Dolce & Gabbana Devotion. We picked this out in the wedding planning vlog, which was last week. Super nice, bright, airy, feminine vanilla, and then a bunch of brushes. I can't wait to bring you along for the reception. Until then, definitely check out the rest of the wedding series, what all brought us to this point. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you very soon in the next one.